welcome all my divine energies. Welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. We have two options in front of us. Our today's topic is channel message from your person, okay? Love message or normal message or general message, and I will speak as if your person is speaking, okay? And please remember, this will be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. For private reading, check the description box below, and or else you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. Link is mentioned, Instagram link is in the description box below, and I will see if I want to pull out some love messages, handwritten messages, love messages, or charms or smileys of about how your person is feeling. But we will see first with these cards. In the end, we will see if there is any need of charms or love message or smileys to know about how your person is feeling and what they want to tell you, and what is their energy, and how I will speak as if how they are speaking, okay? And for collective, I am feeling your person, you are not in contact and not in touch since long time with your person, and they want to say a lot of things to you, or their and also I feel like they speak very less, or their throat chakra is blocked, because I am also fumbling a lot in this collective before even I've started a reading. So we have two options in front of us. Option number one, pink fish. Option number two is this orange color dolphin, blue orange dolphin fish, whatever you want to call. Option number one this, option number two is this fish. So we will start with this option, okay? We'll keep this aside. So how your person is currently feeling, and I will speak as if your person is talking to you directly. Remember, this can be how they wish to and what they want to tell you. In actuality, they take action or not, it depends on the situation, and this is not a topic for that. We are checking how they are feeling, from their higher self, channel message from them. That is what we will see. So I will speak now, like in the sense that they are talking to you, okay? So okay, I start now, okay? My dear, my beloved, you have strong morals, you are very courageous and strong person, and I have been very much selfish or self-obsessed, and I have never thought about you, think about you. You have been very giving to me, and I have been the person who is always used to take. Now it's my time to give you rather than take, and I see you, I know, I can sense, I know that you are very beautiful from inside and outside. A lot of people are around you, after you. You have strong personality, you are beautiful, you are charming personality. The way you speak, I love that. And I know we have our relationship has been ended, and but I know that we will meet again. Only one karmic cycle has been ended, but we will meet you. We will meet once again. I will meet you, and I love you. Okay, please don't think that you only love me and I don't love you. No, I also love you, okay? And right now in my darkness, I am in the darkness. In my darkness period, I witness the light, okay? I pray for you. I have a lot of fears, I know. I have been very much fearful and jerk or scared of your love, but you are the teacher, okay? You are the teacher of spirituality, you are the teacher of love, you are the teacher of strong intuition, you are the leader, you are the strong partner. You have been very much trustworthy and strong and courageous with me, and I have been a jerk, and I have been only taking, and I have been taking advantage of your morals, of your kindness. But now I want to change that. I want to give you something. I want to start a new cycle, new beginning with you. I know we have been ended, we have been separated, broken up, but I love you still, and I know you also love me. Just trust me, have faith, and be more patient. I know you have been patient also with me since long time. Please be more patient with me and trust me, and I will come. And universe is guiding our direction, okay? I am being guided by angels. I am seeing a lot of butterflies or dragonflies or synchronicities or signs from angels, and I know you are the guiding light of my life, and I have been in the dark, and you have been helping me towards the light. You are the light of my life. You are that this hope. Okay, you are the hope in my life, like this flower, like this plant, which is blooming from this stone or this hardest area. So yeah, you are the hope, you are the light in my life. Okay, and I want to be with you, I want to celebrate with you. I know your birthday is coming up, or we were not together on my birthday or on your birthday, but I will come next time. I will wish you, I want to celebrate birthday with you. Okay, I will be coming up. Okay, my love, I know I have hurt you, I know I have been a jerk, but I just want to tell you, be more patient, give me more time. We will start again, I want to start again, please trust me. Okay, and I want to say something to you. Please forgive me for my mistakes and my childish behavior. I know you still love me and you will always take me back. Honey, I love to fight with you. And I want to give you a kiss. Okay, and someone who has interfered, rather my friends or your friends, I know someone has interfered, someone was buttering me, or someone was in my ears, but I want growth with you. I still miss you. I am playing those songs, I am in those past memories of you. I want prosperity and new starting and committed relationship and stability with you. And I know I have never been given you a commitment, but I know we are soulmate, or we are counterpart, or we have some sort of spiritual connection. I want to come towards you and I want to give you something like some gifts which is your favorite. And currently what I know is that you are like this princess, you are like this queen, a strong lady, and you have a lot of love to give to others, and I want to have your love. Okay, I want to kiss you, I want to meet you, I want to give you a hug. Okay, and my current feelings are like I want to just watch you for long hours. I just want to look at you for hours and hours and hours, and I want to be playful with you, I want to kiss you, and I want to give you a lot many kisses. And I'm just feeling awkward and to just come forward towards you, but I will come, don't worry. Okay, I miss those playful vibes which we had. I miss those passionate feelings, passionate times which we have spent. I miss those times. Okay, and don't worry, I'll be coming soon towards you, and will offer you cup of love, my cup of love, and I'm coming soon, within few months, maximum 1 month, or for some of you 3 months I'll be coming. Okay, my darling, my love, my honey, my baby. Okay, my sugar. So this is what your person was saying through these charms, through these smileys, through this card and messages and love handwritten messages. This is what your person is wanting to say. Okay, let me pull out some scrolls for you. Love messages. We will not pull out many charms, many love messages. Okay, let's see. You are very kind. So that is the message from your person. Attracted, attached. So your person is still attracted and attached towards you. Let me love you. This is a song by Justin Bieber. Okay, let me love you. Okay, encore DJ Snake. So this is a song if you want to listen to the lyrics. Okay, so this person has a lot of passionate feelings for you. They miss those intimate moments also. Why I have said crap things. So this person might have broken up and said crap things to you. Those sort of vibe I'm getting, which I've already said in starting, like as if your person was saying, thank you for being patient with me. So you have been very much patient and strong. I can sense you were the only one who was running this relationship, and you were the home for this person. Now they are saying that I'm coming home. So pile 1, this is what I feel for you. Please like, share, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up, and comment down below. Let me know how you find this reading. And please remember, this was a general reading. You can book a private reading, or else you can follow me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you liked and you have got some insights about how your person is feeling, what they want to tell you, what is the channel message from their higher self, from their soul. Okay, now let's see those who have chose this dolphin orange fish, what your person is saying. Okay, from their higher self, from their soul, from their heart. So remember, this is the message will be from their higher self or from their heart and from their soul. Okay, it's not necessary they will take action, but this is how they feel or they want to do it. But in what action they take, it depends on your situation. Okay, and I will speak as if your person is speaking channel message. Okay, so my beloved, my dear, my honey, my sweetheart, I have been through a big changes and transformation since you have been since we have been apart. Okay, and I am trying to talk to you, but I am not able to speak to you because I am not expressive. My pride is coming in. My pride and ego is holding me back, stopping me back. But I know I have ego, I have pride, and yes, I also a lot many people and angel and God and universe also has confirmed that I have ego, I have pride. But in August month, I will give you some surprise, or roundabout in Leo season I will give you some surprise. I know you are like a magician, you can manifest everything, anything. Also I am manifesting you. I want to be playful to you, but I have been going through a lot of transformation and endings and changes, and that is what has made me realize your worth. Yes, that I have been very much egoistic, prideful towards you. Please forgive me if you can. Okay, I know you are like a sunshine in my life. You are a spiritual person. Your intuition is very much strong. I know that you are independent, strong, abundant lady. You are earning on your own. You are independent. You are handling your life all alone, and you are now having the good fruits of your good karmas. And I have been a jerk, and I have been going through a lot of changes and transformation. Okay, but I will speak the truth to you, and I know you have been also very much truthful to me in past. I want to have a relationship with you, and we will be in a relationship very quickly, and that will be a permanent relationship. I will be marrying you, I will have child with you, I want to have child with you. Okay, I have realized who is wrong, who is right, and who is around me is my well-wisher and who is not. I have no idea what is going on in your life as of now. Right now, do you have someone else in your life? Are you still willing to wait for me? Do you still love me? So please forgive me. I as of now I don't have any exact idea what is going in your life, but I will be coming back to you. Okay, because you are like a sun, you are shining. I know you are reaping fruits of your good karmas, and I am over here in a problem because what I did to you, and I am getting my karma back. So please forgive me, please wait for me. Will you please wait for me? Do you still love me, or do you have someone else? But I know my pride was and my ego was coming in my way. I'll come in August month, and my throat chakra was blocked. I was not able to speak, as if like I'm not able to speak, I'm not able to express myself. I had a lot of burden, but I see you as like this 10 of cups. I see you as my husband, wife. I want to have a child with you, and we will I know you are manifesting. I am also manifesting you, and I want to become your husband or wife or your spouse, and you are husband wife material. I want to have babies with you, and we will have child together definitely, especially one daughter, one son, or a daughter like you, or a son like you, and Please forgive me. Again and again I am saying, please forgive me. I have got getting my bad karmas. Okay, I have been going through a lot of endings and transformation and rebirth. Okay, so please forgive me. Okay, I see you. Okay, and I feel sometimes shy to come towards you. Okay, and sometimes I cry also, that how I treated you. Sometimes I feel like crying how I treated you. And you are very strong, intuitive lady. I know you are a tarot reader, spiritual person. I know that. Okay, I want to be there on your on Christmas evening with you. I want to be there. I want to celebrate your birthday. I want to celebrate with you a Christmas, a birthday, my birthday, your birthday. I want to celebrate with you. I want to be there for you. Okay, and I want to have a child with you. Okay, and some my childhood traumas has blocked my throat chakra, and my because of my childhood traumas and troubles, I am not able to express myself, or sometimes I use sharp tongue, because that is what I have been learned from since childhood. And I am also little bit scared of you and my feelings, and I'm not able to speak. I'm not able to express myself. I have a lot of childhood traumas which I'm trying to heal. I'm trying to manifest to you that I should come towards you, and I will talk to you, and you will I hope you will reply to me. But I'm little bit wondering and worrying and scared that whether you will choose someone else, or whether you'll reject me, or you have someone else. But I'm coming. I'm very fast. Very fast I'm coming into your life, and I want to celebrate Christmas with you. So I'll be contacting you on in a August month, or in a December month, or on your birthday, or on my birthday. And I know in past I have said crap things, sharp tongue. I have used sharp tongue. I have said a lot of many things. I have ended our relationship, but I will be resolving it. I want peace in our relationship, because of my childhood traumas, and my throat chakra was blocked, and I was not able to express myself, or rather I was like using sharp tongue. But now I'm healing myself, and I know we are twin flames counterpart, or soulmate, higher level soulmate connection. Now I have realized it, because of lot many endings and rebirth and transformation process I have been through. So I will come to meet you definitely, and or in August or in December month I will come to meet you. I know your birthday is in August month or in December month. So but I'm just little bit of nervous and scared, or wondering, like feeling awkward also, that how you will react. Also I have cried for you, yes. And I want to sing a song for you. I know you love singing songs, or you love when somebody sings for you. You love music, I know that. So yeah, I will be coming towards you definitely. So this is what your person was saying to you, channel message. Let me pull out some love messages, hints. So this person is missing you badly, and they might have given you hints, or they will give you hints, okay, because they are missing you badly. In past they have given you lame excuses, and they are asking for forgiveness, like I've said already. They have said in channel message. Can't stop thinking about you. They will be coming in, for some of you in August month, or for some of you in December month. For some of you, either you or your person's birthday is in July, August, or November, December. So this person can't stop thinking about you, and they will come talk to you. They will be with you. They want to be with you. They can't live without you. They are saying, I miss you, my life. They think you are their life. You are their sun. You are their sunshine. And they have realized it. Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. So this is the song they want to dedicate towards you. Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. So some lyrics might be resonating. Sugar, you are my cupcake honey. So they might be used to call you sugar, cupcake, honey, or they see you like very sweet, cute, chubby, pumpkin, lovely, and a sweetheart. and they have used sharp tongue, so they are like now in a guilt and fear, and feeling very awkward, how they have said such things to their sweetheart, to such a sweet and lovely person. So this is what they feel for you, their current feelings, their next energy, their channel message. I hope you liked it, and I hope you like this smiley, charms, love messages, crows, and all that. Also, I want to pull out few charms what your person is saying. Okay, so your person has got to know, or have realized that you are on twin flame journey, or some sort of soulmate higher level connection you have, or you share with them some sort of past life connection. You have a strong bond, and they have realized it's all about the journey, and you are now like this: don't touch me, don't come to me, don't talk to me, don't be in touch with me. But they will, that is why they are a bit scared that you have chose someone else, or you have moved on, because how they treated you in past. But I can see they will come and contact you. So this is what I feel for you, pile 2. I hope you like this. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. This is not a private reading. Check description box below for private reading. This is a general reading, okay? And it may or may not resonate with each and every one of you, okay? And if you want to join me on Instagram, my link of Instagram in the description box below, Divine Energy Tarot. And you can suggest some topics of picker cards if you wish to. If you wish to watch some videos, you can suggest me on some pick a card reading. I will do it, okay? Let me know in the comment down in the comment box below. And namaste, love and light to you. Hope to see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye. And please check out other topics and zodiac readings also, which I have posted on my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys.